unity, and grounded ambitions. Good morning, Libra. Today invites you to choose the path that resonates with your highest good, as the Capricorn Moon and Saturn encourage collaboration and mutual support. Embrace teamwork and unity, setting aside differences to build stronger connections with loved ones. As your to-do list expands, remember to prioritize self-care to stay mentally and physically prepared for the road ahead. This evening, emotions may surge under Luna and Jupiter's tension, so keep yourself grounded even amidst moments of excitement. If clarity feels elusive, open your heart to signs from beyond when Mercury retrograde aspects Jupiter. Guidance is closer than you think. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to come back and see what they say tomorrow.